So when we were receiving dashboards, they come in all beat up, cracked, exactly what you're seeing in your car right now. And one of the major processes that we do in the very beginning is a teardown process. So we got to make sure that metal is clean, the substructure is sound. We don't tear it down to the bare metal on every dash. Sometimes we're using some of that original material for contouring, but we do have a very specific process. So we ask our customers, don't remove any material yourselves. We'll take care of it. That's what you're paying us for. And in the refoaming and shaping process, we're bringing back all of the original details. So right here we have a 59 Cadillac, and this was torn down to the bare metal. And after the bare metal, we do powder coating to the underside, make sure it stays clean and rust free. And we're in the midst of our foam shaping process and bringing it back to life.